Alright, look.
Very video taping or
Not you, I'm talking to whoever's watching the video when they're gonna watch the video.
wait, that's video?
Yes, it's videotaping.
Well, this is what your fiance had to say before
Yeah.
the show.
Respect.
I know I'm Lisa since
No, I'm still taping.
we dated, we went our separate ways,
Look, see, it's
So
a
do that
sock.
throw thing?
Yeah, watch, this is catch.
and I think
Mark is playing catch with the bird.
I'm Lisa means
Come
a lot
on,
to me.
thank you.
She treats me like no other woman ever treated me, and I love her for it.
Alright.
I'm also grateful that we have
Give me the bigger
If Mark
sock.
would throw it right, the bird actually catches it.
Be quiet.
We may be here for a while.
our family used to.
Oh, come on. that was on the bird's fault.
It's his fault.
He got
What are you doing, Raj?
trying to. I think he's trying to get on there.
Hurry and throw the sock.
I'm supposed to.
Hello? Let him have it.
Give me another sock.
Oh my god, he's too cute.
Okay. Oh, okay. Ready?
You still there?
I think this might do it. There we go.
There we go. Just throws it.
He's so cute.
You are cute, Raj. Na, 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 na.
And to anybody in,
She was dancing last time my dad sang
are you
that.
gonna put this on like on the YouTube or something?
On MySpace.
Okay. Also on YouTube. Come on. Is there a video?
So the stretchy sock. He likes the stretchy sock better.
The black sock?
Yeah, it's over there.
You threw it over there.
By your shirt. No, it's over there on your shirt. See, stretchy sock.
Find out who the bird father is, if you, this is your son.
Look how happy he is to see that.
And Lisa, did you tell him who you chewed?
That is so cute.
And that's his Raj.
Go Raja, go Raja. It's your birthday. I swear to God, he's headbanging.
There we go.
There he was. Now he dropped it.
But that's not,
No.
just automatic.
Are you
And
really
catch it. Yes.
on MySpace?
Yeah. Headbanger. See, rockstar. You gotta learn to say that, Raj. I'm a rock star.
Okay, that was bad. Oh, come on.
All right, you hit me with it. He's just sticking his one foot out. What is he doing there? He's gonna kill you. All right, that's enough recording.
All right. No, well, it's just one more.